There are millions of people who are living without power right now in Texas, as we told you. They are cold. Some are even dying. This is a debacle of historic proportions after this severe winter storm knocked out the power grid.
That's what I like about Texas.
What's up, Juice Gang? It's your boy Juice coming at you with another video, and today we're on the bike on Beltway 8 doing our thing. I took the bike out and I went to the lot yesterday, and what I did was knocked a little bit of rust off, and I made a video for Patreon. So go ahead and go over to the Patreon if you want to strictly learn how to do wheelies over there, you know. But you're not gonna catch me really doing no wheelie tutorials no more on YouTube, man. I'm just not gonna do it. So go over there, go check it out. Alright, so I know it ain't no secret, man. Texas bonk ass power grid went down, and I swear on God, it felt like the government was trying to kill us. Not God damn. A little rusty at this. So far, so good. The bike is running the way it's supposed to be running. I mean, my front tire, the left side of it, most of the tread is worn off, and it's uneven wear basically. And so I might want to get that checked out at the soonest available time. I might need to give me a tire that you know, matches what I'm trying to do out here on the street, which means I need a good tire. Look at these motherfuckers just pulling out in front of everybody. Man, you ain't gonna look both ways, bitch. Could have hit me, man. See, that's why I'm cruising. Y'all already know that I got like some type of curse or something going on, some bad luck streak, getting in wrecks, crashing and shit. That shit's starting to hurt. So now I'm just gonna take it real easy. Yeah, we in California right now. I wish a motherfucker would. I'll beat the brakes off your stupid ass. That's the shit that you say to kind of pump yourself up to make sure you lane split and it's not an awkward situation, because it's not legal, and motherfuckers nowadays right now on everybody's last nerve, so ain't no telling. Take a right down right here. Oh, I ain't got no front brakes, so you know, I'm feeling kind of sketched out right now. But I'm definitely gonna explore a little bit while my bike. This is what I wanted to do when my bike was fucked up. I wanted to ride around everywhere, explore a little bit. I'm on the south side right now. And over here on the south side, yeah, south side, motherfucker hit the south side, Oh, Oh, did y'all hear about how they beating up on all kind of Asian people? Man, that's fucked up, huh? I don't want y'all thinking though that it's just black people doing it, man. It's you know, you got a white person on camera. They let him out of jail just recently though. I ain't gonna put my hands on you, man. Watch out. He had that look in his eye like, oh man, it's about to happen. Hey, it's busy over here. Yeah, this is a nicer part of Houston right here. I'm pretty positive the lights were on over here during that whole Arctic blast. Angel Beer Club, the printing office. Ooh, that's where I need to go to get my temp tags. I don't know nothing about this area over here, so I gotta take a look. Take a look. Hey, this is Chinatown over here. Yeah, this is Chinatown over here, man. You gotta be careful too, cause Alright, I'm bored. This is all Chinatown shit. Let me go back to, man, she look alright to be homeless and shit. Oh, she breastfeeding. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, privacy. I think I'll go to the hood. I think the hood is back over this way. So, yeah, the hood is over this way. It's just freeways that separate dangerous parts of Houston. And a lot of parts of Houston are just like, really, there's no territory no more. Gotta be careful, gotta keep your eyes on the swivel. You know what I'm saying? You get knocked off your block around this bitch. See, now we starting to get into the lower income apartments right over here. I'm gonna do like Brian 636 does. This is Hood Eats. Over here, this apartment complex was built back in 1965, and it was specifically built for the lower income community residents. Well, if you look over here to the left side, these people just, you know, they make a little bit more money, so they have a, man, fuck all that shit. Thought I seen a cop, but the cops don't fuck with us. I was listening to Police Scanner during that whole Arctic blast, and there was ATMs, home invasions, carjackings, you know, pop shots, you know what I'm saying, all that shit going down. Let me go through this motherfucker. Yeah, I'm in the hood now. All of that shit was going down, and some guys were stealing dirt bikes. They ended up leaving a whole entire dirt bike on the street, on the feeder. And so when they left the whole dirt bike on the feeder, there was another guy on the ATV, and the police were trying to nab this guy. He was like on a blue ATV, right? So he's going through this park called McGregor Park, and they're trying their hardest to set up a perimeter, but they cannot predict the shit that he is doing. So he ends up dipping off into an apartment complex and gets away. And so I'm now wanting the ATV for some odd reason, you know, because when it was icy, snowy, like, I was trying to think, what the hell kind of vehicle can you get on that's gonna be able to make it through all of this nasty shit? And it's that ATV. I mean, you know, then you can have a passenger on the back of that bitch. It's not a bad deal. You gotta be careful nowadays, man. Motherfuckers is on the carjackings is on the rise. I'm looking at the news on live videos, and Louisiana is let me go down here, see what the fuck popping down here. Louisiana is not Louisiana, Los Angeles is having a high-speed chase every single night. And when I say high-speed chase, oh, this is white people neighborhood. When I say high-speed chase, I'm talking about they bring the helicopters out, they make a big deal about it. The people usually circle around the block that they usually from, so the people showing love as they pass through, because everybody watching it on live. That's what kind of love I want to see from my city. You know what I'm saying? If you see me on a high-speed chase, you're gonna come outside. You're gonna sit there and get some cardboard, and you're gonna write with a Sharpie, "Go, nigga, go! Go, speed racer! Go, speed racer! Go, speed racer, go!" But, so, that's what they doing in Los Angeles right now. Los Angeles is going crazy. And so, I forget what I was gonna mention about it, but I just wanted to take a ride and test the bike out on the street to see if it was roadworthy. And man, that rectifier fucked me all the way up. All the way up. That was a source of a lot of my electrical problems. I haven't tried to really go through all my gears yet, but I will. You know, I just, like I said, I wanted to make a little short video. Same thing with you, Lotus. You know, I be watching your channel as well. I know it's too cold over there in the New York area, so you know, I guess whenever you get on the bike, man, make sure you give it more gas. That's all I got. But so yeah, I'm back. About this hope. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. Bike feels good. Weather's just right. I feel like Goldilocks right now.
Swing it, swing it, swing it.
My Cowie swing lane to
Swing
lane.
it, swing it, swing
Yeah,
it.
I swing my dang lane.
Swing it, swing
Cowie
it, swing it.
swing lane to lane. I swing my dang lane. Cowie swing lane
Swing it,
to
swing
lane.
it,
Swing
swing
my
it.
dang lane. Cowie swing lane to lane.